Welcome to Pilot, the ultimate trading app, available on iPhone and Android, designed to boost your trading performance. With a comprehensive watch list and an intuitive trading view, featuring buy and sell buttons, stop loss, trailing stop tabs, position details, and a sentiment spectrum, Pilot empowers traders to make swift, informed decisions. This increases trading frequency, volume, and trader retention, keeping you engaged and in control. Pilot is a highly intuitive platform tailored for active traders. Whether you're on the web, desktop, or mobile, Pilot delivers a seamless experience, combining powerful tools with user-friendly design to maximize your trading efficiency. The Opportunity Watchlist highlights the most active securities in your portfolio. Pilot continuously monitors each security, displaying its current buy or sell opportunity strength, so you can stay ahead of market movements. Our Opportunity Watchlist is built to alert you to imminent trading opportunities. It auto-sorts securities by opportunity strength, ensuring you focus on the most promising trades at the right time. The Opportunity Gauge provides a clear visual of a security's trading potential. A reading of 80% or more in red signals a strong sell opportunity, while 80% or more in blue indicates a strong buy opportunity, helping you act with confidence. Stay informed with 4 news alert lights per security, each representing a different category. Lights illuminate for news releases, earnings reports, futures contract expiries, and more, keeping you updated on critical market events. Customize your watch list to suit your trading style. Sort it alphabetically, by opportunity strength, or by price change, giving you the flexibility to prioritize what matters most to you. Tailor your watch list by selecting your preferred asset class, stocks, forex, futures, or crypto. Pilot adapts to your trading preferences, ensuring you see the opportunities that align with your strategy. Easily edit your watch list by adding or removing items. Every security added is automatically scanned for trading opportunities, keeping your focus on high-potential trades. Navigate Pilot effortlessly with the shortcut bar, available on every screen. Access your portfolio view, trade log, positions, watch list, top list, or in-app tutorial with a single click, streamlining your trading experience. Pilot's advanced charting tools support technical analysis and general trading needs, providing you with the insights required to make strategic decisions. Access over 50 technical indicators and on-chart drawing tools through the Charts Tools panel. These features empower you to analyze securities with precision and clarity. Enter the trade screen directly from your watch list by selecting a security or opportunity, giving you quick access to execute trades when timing is critical. The Trade Execution panel displays the opportunity level and includes smart order entry and trade closing features, making it easy to act on opportunities efficiently. This panel is your trading command center, featuring the Opportunity Strength Indicator, signal lights, sentiment spectrum, and an order entry panel for seamless trade management. Our signal lights summarize 4 key algorithms: perception, commitment, equilibrium, and sentiment. They also highlight overbought or oversold conditions, giving you a quick snapshot of market dynamics. The sentiment spectrum shows real-time sentiment from active traders, helping you gauge the current market mood and make decisions aligned with market trends. The Smart Order Entry panel allows for rapid order entry and trade closing, ensuring you can execute trades quickly and efficiently when opportunities arise. Monitor open or pending orders, track your position's profit and loss, quantity, and average price. Pilot also warns you if a stop loss isn't set, helping you manage risk effectively. Set your desired trailing stop loss level with ease. This feature displays your price target and potential profit and loss, allowing you to protect your position with a single click. Set your profit target with one click. Pilot displays potential profit levels, enabling you to send a take-profit order instantly and secure your gains. Once your trailing stop loss and take-profit orders are set, Pilot clearly displays these alongside your open position, giving you a complete view of your trade setup and status. Thanks for exploring Pilot. Ready to take your trading to new heights? Visit pilottrading.co to download the app, sign up, book a demo, or check out our tutorials. Join the trading revolution today.